Throughout the 1930s, until the end of the Holocaust and World War II, Nazi German officials threatened and destroyed the freedoms, humanity, and lives of Jews and other groups living under their control. One critical step in the Nazis' persecution of Jews was putting false ideas about race into official German law. How did they do it? The Nuremberg race laws. After Nazi leader Adolf Hitler was named German Chancellor in January 1933, his regime began to use the law to carry out their agenda. Nazi ideology falsely claimed that Jews belonged to a separate and inferior race. The Nazis saw Jews as an enemy and threat to German society. Enacted in 1935, the Nuremberg race laws were one of the first steps towards legalizing this false Nazi ideology. There were two laws: the Reich citizenship law and the law for the protection of German blood and German honor. The first of the two laws, the Reich citizenship law, defined a citizen as a person who is of German or related blood. German Jews were no longer considered citizens. The Nazis declared that people with 3 or 4 grandparents born into the Jewish religious community were Jews. The second of the Nuremberg race laws was the law for the protection of German blood and German honor. It built on the new definition of citizens and banned what the Nazis viewed as race mixing. Future marriages and sexual relations between Jews and people of German or related blood were now illegal. The Nazis believed that such relationships were dangerous because they led to so-called mixed-race children. According to the Nazis, these children and their descendants undermined the purity of the German race. Those violating the law could be punished with prison time. While the Nazis saw Jews as the priority enemy, they also targeted other groups for persecution, including Roma and Black people. The Nuremberg race laws were an important step in the Nazi regime's process of isolating and excluding Jews and other groups from the rest of German society. In the years that followed, they enacted more and more anti-Jewish laws. This systematic approach led to the murder of 6 million Jews in the Holocaust.